Have a heartburn attack? It indicates a weakening stomach and spleen due to certain diets and lifestyles you have had for some time. Unfortunately, the medication for heartburn don't treat the issue and will only make it worse if you rely on them. What can you do to get back on track without relying on medications? Check out this custom Qigong routine. Clicking teeth 50 times, rotating tongue 3 times, squeezing shoulder blades 20 times, sitting on heels 2 minutes. What are the benefits of this custom routine? It can strengthen your teeth and gums, improve your digestive health, strengthen your thoracic vertebrae, and enhance your stomach and spleen. To access this Qigong routine, use the code on screen and paste it into Onenergy Qigong app. Practice this routine twice daily and you will see great improvement.